Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Gmail workflow with Google Tasks, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. On the right-hand side of the Gmail interface, locate the Google Tasks icon. Click on the Google Tasks icon to open the task panel. If you do not see the icon, you may need to click on the small arrow or plus symbol to expand the menu. Once the task panel is open, you can create a new task by clicking on the Add a Task button. In the text field that appears, type the title of your task. Press the Enter key to save the task. To add more details, hover over the task you just created and click on the pencil icon. Here, you can enter additional information, including due dates and subtasks. Setting a due date can help keep your workflow organized. To add a subtask, click on Add a Subtask in the Task Details pop-up. Provide a title for your subtask and press Enter to save it. After creating tasks and subtasks, you can organize them by dragging and dropping. You can easily prioritize your tasks by moving the most important ones to the top of the list. To mark a task as completed, click the checkbox next to the task title. Completing tasks will help you keep track of your progress. If you need to edit or delete a task, use the pencil icon or the trash can icon respectively. To view your tasks while checking emails, keep the task panel open on the right side. This allows you to reference your tasks without navigating away from your inbox. Regularly updating your tasks ensures you are always on top of your workflow. Consider creating different task lists for various projects or personal goals. You can create multiple lists by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top of the task panel. To switch between lists, simply select the one you want to view. Gmail integrates well with other Google services, allowing you to link your tasks to calendar events for better time. Utilize the search function in Gmail to find related emails that may need to be converted into tasks. Dragging emails into the Google Tasks panel converts them into tasks quickly. This makes it easier to manage follow-ups directly from your inbox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.